chic, sophisticated, so obsessed, and it's just really, really lovely. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I have got a fresh layer of tan on, and I must admit, I excuse my hands, I did go a little bit ham on the tan today, just because it doesn't look this bad in real life, but just because I was talking about tan and I wanted it to be really, really bronzed. As you can see, I am, but it's just the hands we won't talk about. I left it on too long. Normally I wash it off after an hour, but I forgot. Anyway, in today's video I'm going to be giving you my opinions on the GLO by Lydia kit. One of the main reasons I wanted to do this review today is because here on my channel I like to share things that I absolutely love, and I don't know, talking to a camera about things that I love stops me from going on and on and on about it to my family, to my friends. So yeah, I thought I'd get all of my opinions and thoughts on the GLO by Lydia kit out in the open on this video, and yeah, let's go. Or should I say, let's glow. Now, I've had this for quite a while now. I got it when I first came out, and I got it for my birthday. I kept it sort of hidden away for quite a while, like a month or so, because I just wanted to keep it pristine in this beautiful box. But around Christmas time, I finally decided to just get it out and get my GLO on ready for Christmas. I did do a little bit of a initial reaction to this box on my what I got for my birthday video, so I'll leave that linked up on the screen now in case you did want to check that out. But I said in that video, and I stand by what I say now, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous and it gives me Chanel vibes, and I don't know, I've kept it all nice in the box because it really is like a work of art, and I didn't want to, I don't know, I don't want to get it out and I don't want to ruin the box or the bag. I just want to keep it all nice and perfect. So that is what I'm doing for the longest time. I will do that until it needs replacing, and then I will replace it, but for the moment it is perfect. So let's go on with my opinion. When I first ordered the kit, I was a little bit sceptical, I won't lie. I had worries about it not being the best quality, and maybe being a little bit overpriced, if I'm being honest. I did initially think that, and we ordered it just to see what it was going to be like, and if it was good I was going to keep it, and if I wasn't I was going to send it back. Thankfully it is amazing quality, and the bag itself, let me just get it out one sec. This is my bag. As you can see, I have used it, but it is still in pristine condition to the point where I have left the plastic on the little chains, but the quality is amazing, and I don't really know why I expected anything less from Lydia, but that's another point. The material has worn really, really well. I mean, admittedly I'm probably not the best person to be testing or commenting on the durability of the bag, just because I have kept it in the box and I've tried to keep it as perfect as possible, but you can tell it's gonna last. I'll say it again, it feels like a luxury handbag. I'm just obsessed with the whole aesthetic of the kit, and yeah. Anyway, I really need to move on from the bag and talk about the actual products inside it. Okay, let's get on with actually talking about the products and my opinions on them. So I think I should start by saying that I'm fairly new to the tanning life. So about a year ago, when the pandemic started, I kind of got seriously into my tanning routine, and I was tanning every week, but I kind of got into a bit of a dilemma with it. I was always getting really, really patchy, and my hands would always be the first place to sort of fade and go all, I don't know, like wrinkly with tan, and it would also take me so long to scrub off the tan that I would just in the end give up and not enjoy doing my tan, despite the fact that it made me feel a million times better when I did have my tan on. So yeah, that was my main issue, and I realised that there was a couple of things wrong with my routine that now I have adopted into my routine that made my tan so much better and so much more pleasurable to do. And one of the things being that I did not have a decent mitt. And in this, in the kit, the mitt for tanning is absolutely amazing. It's like a really sort of good quality thick mitt, and it really smells of tan, and it's just really lovely to apply your tan with. I found that with my old mitt it was very thin and it was only one-sided, so you had just one side to work with, and it wasn't, I don't know, it just wasn't the best. And you could tell in my tan that it wasn't the best mitt and that I was using cheap products. And yeah, so basically get yourself a good mitt if you want a good tan, and I would highly recommend this GLO by Lydia one. I absolutely love the colour because you don't get, like, you would never be able to tell that I've just used that to tan with. So that's one thing I really love, because it just helps to make the whole tanning routine a bit more, I don't know, feel a bit more hygienic and more, I don't know, sophisticated in a way, because tan is really not the nicest thing to have to apply, just because of how messy it can look on the mitt and how dirty and grubby it can get. So yeah, that's my opinions on this, because it's really good. And yeah. And the second thing that was really wrong with my tanning routine, which I kind of never really knew about, or don't know, I just never thought to do it, was exfoliate every day. I would exfoliate and try to scrub off my tan with a flannel, and my skin would get so red raw that it just wasn't it. And I have sensitive skin anyway, and it can get quite dry, and that using a flannel to scrub off your tan, A, was really time consuming, and B, was just, it was awful. It was like my skin was red raw afterwards, and then I wondered why I never wanted to tan again. As I was saying, I never exfoliated before, and about a week or so before I'd ordered the kit, I thought I'm going to try my own exfoliating mitt from a different store and see what it was like. And it did revolutionise my tan, but it's still, my tan was still patchy and it still wasn't perfect. But ever since I've been using this every day, really, I just was a game changer for me in the kit. My tan has just been seamless, and I'm actually shocked, and I don't know whether it's something to do with this glove or whether it's just exfoliating every day, I don't know, but my tan is literally seamless, and it's never patchy like it used to be, like it used to go around my knuckles. Even when I've got really dry skin like I do at the moment, it was never that bad, and now it's just a dream with this glove. And again, it's black, so it doesn't get all grubby, and the mitt I used to have was white, and even when you washed it, it still didn't look the cleanest, and it just ended up looking a bit grubby. Whereas this one, where it's black, even if you wash it, you can't see the tan, and that's something that I really like and is really important to me. And other than that, I did just want to talk about the GLO by Lydia company as a whole. They are on their Instagram. I'm always tagging them in my Instagram pictures, because I'm always wearing tan, and it's always because of them that I am able to feel confident enough to take pictures, because my tan is so perfect. Yeah, they always reply to my posts, they always comment on my posts, and they are just the dream Instagram account, and I really love that. I think having that feedback and connection between a brand and, I don't know, on their Instagram is just really lovely, and I think that's part of the reason why I've fallen in love with the whole GLO by Lydia concept. And it's something that I would highly recommend. I think I got it for, yeah, so we paid $54.95 for it, and I would spend that all over again in a heartbeat for this kit, just because it is genuinely life-changing in the tanning experience. And likewise, I forgot to say that the back mitt and the back exfoliating thing are as equally good. They make your tan so much easier to apply. Like, it's called the independent toolkit for a reason. You don't have to ask anybody to tan your back, and I don't know, I am really obsessed with it. So that's all the positives about the GLO kit. I have 2 or 3 areas that I'd like to improve on. Nothing too harsh, but they are things that I think maybe would make this even better than it is. So the first one is that I'd love to have had a little card or like a booklet that told you Lydia's tanning routine in sort of full step. You have to head over to the GLO by Lydia Instagram account to find that, but I think it would have been nice to have been given it in the bag and have like, you should do this, this and this, like do's and don'ts almost of what to do for tanning. And I feel like then this kit would have been foolproof for anybody of any tanning experience, and especially for me being really new to tan. Her tips have really helped me, and I don't know, I just felt like that could have been included in the bag. The second thing that I would have loved is to have had 2 exfoliating gloves and 2 tanning mitts in the bag, just because I don't know, if I'd had 2 on one on each hand, I could just scrub a lot quicker. Obviously I can still do it with this, it just takes a little bit more time, but maybe if I'd purchased, but I don't want to purchase another bag to get another one, so I'm just making do at the moment. But that is definitely something that maybe you could buy a second one on the website or something without having to buy the whole kit. I don't know, but I think 2 of each would have been really nice. Thinking about it, I don't think there was anything else I wanted to criticise. There is one more thing that I really wish that they do. I wish this bag came in a smaller size, or like a makeup bag, sort of travel size one, because then I could just use it as a makeup bag and it would be dreamy. Because I just, again, like I keep saying, I love the quality of this. I'm literally so obsessed with it, and I don't know, if this was smaller and maybe a different shape, it would be the dream makeup bag to carry around in your handbag. It's just so chic, sophisticated, I don't know, I love it very much. As you can see, I am obsessed with this GLO by Lydia kit. I would highly recommend it that you do try it out. It is really great quality, and I think that I have rambled on enough about the GLO by Lydia kit, and you're probably all getting bored of me, so I'm going to end the video here. If you did like this little review and would like me to do some more reviews on other things, then let me know down below. But anyway, that is the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.